Hey guys, today I want to show you this new animated movie called RANGO. It's been released today, July 15th, nationwide. And if you go to rangocoupon.com, you can also get a $5 coupon that looks exactly like this. And just print it and take it to your store, any store, Best Buy, Kmart, Walmart, whatever, and pay $15. It sells for $20, but with the coupon you're only going to pay $15. And not only that, you also get another $5 if you buy 3 pizzas at your local supermarket. You can watch the movie, eat pizza, and enjoy it for only 10 bucks. Let's get this one out so I can show you here the slipcover. It's a really nice slipcover. Everything is embossed. RANGO, the fish, really nice. I know you guys like to collect this. And the beauty of this movie is it has 2 movies. That's right, you have 2 movies of RANGO. You have the theatrical and the extended edition. So let's remove this one so I can show you exact same artwork. Here's the back cover. This is region free, Blu-ray, DVD, and digital copy. So let's open this one and let me show you the disc, the case, and the special features. So here's just a flyer of the poster of the RANGO, and of course the code for the digital copy. You're just talking about the car Escape from Ford. And you also get a free poster if you go to Snapfish. Here's the code. So here we have the DVD and the Blu-ray. The Blu-ray is the blue, the DVD is the gray. And of course, eco-friendly case. So here it is with a fantastic brand new case. None of that eco-friendly case anymore. And we can kiss this shit goodbye. Don't need this. So let's take a look at the special features here. Also comes with a never before seen ending. Not only is region free, but also comes with French, Spanish, and Portuguese as Dolby Digital 5.1. As I mentioned before, it comes with 2 editions, theatrical and extended, but it's just 4 minutes. The theatrical is 107, the extended is 111 minutes. You know something I just cannot understand? With these eco-friendly cases, they want to make you believe it is the best for the environment, but at the same time they're chopping off a lot more trees to make these stupid slip covers. So I don't get it. Alright guys, thanks again for watching my videos, and don't forget to get your $5 coupon for RANGO in either Blu-ray or DVD. And stay tuned for much more Blu-ray updates every week right here at Blue Collection.